Hello sir, good noon. Today I will download a NetBeans for Java. But first, I need to download the GDK so that we can access everything about the NetBeans. So first, we need to search GDK downloads. Then click GDK, then go to Windows and select those three. Then after that, wait until finish. Then after that, click CMD. And then type Java / version, then create new file so that we can know if it is okay. Then rename hello world, like for example hello world.java. Yes, click yes. Then after that, we need to download the NetBeans. Search NetBeans. No, then click Apache. No, NetBeans. Then find the download word. Click. And after that, click the 2022 Windows 64. Then after that, it will be downloaded. Wait until it finishes. Then after that, open. And then click next, next, next. Then wait because it is installing. Then after installing, it is okay. Then open. Then we can type everything about that. Then this is the example. And that's all. Thank you.